Oh, yes. And one more thing, the API endpoint, right? We're filtering down by API endpoint. We can also filter down by other attributes as well. So for example, status code. And if you do that, notice this chart does start to get a little bit messy. That's because you're grouping by two distinct attributes that have a lot of unique values, right? And this is also going to introduce in many other observability tools a problem known as high cardinality. Right. So many of you on the webinar today might be familiar with this concept of cardinality. It's really not an issue in Observe. And the reason why it's not an issue in Observe is because those data sets are all together in the single data store, which is our Snowflake data lake backend, right? And we're able to just surface these attributes and graph them without having to actually re-index them in a relational database for every unique tag or unique attribute, right? So cardinality is not really much of a concern at all in Observe.